Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by mapping structure. Place a vertical center line to lock posture, then add a 1/3 head guideline to position features. Block the head as an oval and the chest as a tilted box to imply volume. This gives you 3D planes to read light later. Mark the pelvis as a smaller tilted box and draw a flowing spine curve between chest and pelvis. Once done, check proportions quickly and adjust shoulder and hip angles to sell the twist. Now refine the blocky frame into readable forms. Turn arms and legs into cylinders with visible joints so you can rotate them in space. For the face, simplify into planes, brow, nose ridge, and cheek volumes to establish three-dimensionality rather than flat features. Add hair as a single mass first, then break it into overlapping locks that wrap the skull. Make clothing shapes follow underlying volumes. Folds should curve around forms. Make sure to pause and correct silhouettes. They sell the 3D effect. To finish, pick one consistent light source and block in core shadows, midtones, and a subtle rim light to suggest depth. This pushes the figure off the page. Clean your line work, erase construction lines, and darken edges that face the light to strengthen form. Add small details, eye highlights, soft hair strands, last. If something looks flat, check underlying volumes and rotate the limb or head slightly. Re-establish the boxy forms and adjust shading after repositioning to fix dimensional errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.